Welcome to Shutterfly How-Tos, quick tips to help you create with ease. Here's how to find and use stickers, backgrounds, and embellishments in the Photo Book Builder. You'll find them in the left tray area, here. Click Backgrounds, or Stickers, to browse options that are included in your design. Your Favorites tab carries across projects, so anything you save is always easy to find. Looking for something specific? Use the search bar right here. You can favorite items or add them directly to your project. To explore even more options, click Get More. You can browse by general category or by book design style if you want to look through options that come with our other books. And you can always search here as well. To save time, select multiple items and add them to your project tray all at once. And that's a quick tour of stickers, backgrounds, and embellishments. For more tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Have fun and make something that means something.